Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, today we are here for the awarding ceremony is to recognize and celebrate the hard work of our completers kayo. Ngiti-ngiti naman, huwag naman seryoso. Who have completed the computer system servicing in Cebu. This ceremony makes the achievement of acquiring valuable skills in computer system servicing, and it acknowledges their readiness to contribute to our tech industry. Congratulations to our completers. By the way, the computer system servicing and Cebu course is designed to teach students how to install, maintain, and repair computer system. Completers of this program are equipped with knowledge, skills, and attitude in troubleshooting computer hardwares and different computer technology. With these skills, they are prepared to enter the tech industry and contribute to the growing demand for IT professionals, and dedicated to our graduates who have successfully completed their valuable training. Okay, for that, congratulations. Okay, now, awarding of certificates for the graduates. Okay, certificate of completion is presented for having successfully completed the program in computer system servicing in Cebu. Duration is 280 hours from March 10, 2025 to May 9, 2025. Conducted by Innovative Skills Research Institute Incorporated, given this 19th day of May 2025. Okay, I call your name, then come forward. Okay, papalagpakan nyo pag pupunta dito na. Okay. Adaro, Maribel.
Tingin dito.
Picture. Hindi ko yata yung okay, may na-sit down. Then, Basar Natalia.
What? Nice maton.
Ang kandidato
Okay, may na-sit down. Abaron, John Marie.
Yun. Yun. Shot puno.
Okay. Corpus Marian. Wala to, ano?
Wala po.
Wala, Yoel Montalba. Montalbo. Wala. Deo Cares. Okay, minutes down. Jaya, Benjo, Martin. Okay, Gonzales, Marilang,
Galing ni Kuya. Ice cream yan. Kaya naka-video tayo. Ice cream. Yes. Bunso! Bunso! Yan! Ito. Yan! Ang sis ng bayan. Nice, Loy! Nice done, Loy! Yan!
Tinatanong, ikaw lang sa'yo.
Mata! Good guys!
Okay, naman po, Aileen.
Natin ko sa test na nakatulong.
Okay, okay, ito na. Tala-tala, duwata, agit. Okay, ito na yung ating tatay dito. Texon William.
Kuya Will! Kuya Will! Kuya Will!
Okay, yung ating pangsinari. Dito ba? Si Toledo, Toledano,
Yan! Batadan. Batadan.
Congratulations! Now, ang mga batang naggamit ng mataas na karangalan. Hindi yung mga naggamit ng karangalan.
Go, Utoy!
Okay. These certificate of recognitions are awarded to Rising Star Award for demonstrating significant progress in education. Okay. Tala-tala, diwata,
One, two.
Okay, another certificate of recognition is awarded to another Rising Star Award for demonstrating significant progress and potential. Ramos Elizabeth.
Nandiyan pala si Mom, akala ko sa likod mong gagawin.
Okay, another Rising Star Award for demonstrating significant progress and potential. Cabrera Abiden.
Taray.
1, 2.
Another certificate of recognitions awarded is given to for Super Studios Award.
Ay.
For demonstrating strong work ethics and dedication to learning. Another certificate for Ramos Elizabeth Perez.
Takot awards.
1, 2.
Okay, another certificate of recognition awarded for citizenship award. Awarded for Lunas Ibernicio.
Sa Monday na bubuhan. Galing. Uy, ang galing mo. Pwede ka nang bubuhan.
Okay, another certificate of recognition is awarded for Kindness of Award.
Wala ako niya.
For consistently showing kindness and compassion, awarded to Pasar Natalia.
Parang mali yan ha.
Okay, ito yung ating lagi na naasahan at lagi tinatawag.
Ay.
Another certificate of recognition is awarded to for Helping Hand Award. For demonstrating helpfulness and willingness to assist others, awarded to Ramos Roger. Lagi namin yung tinatawag.
Sakto na. Galing.
1, 2.
Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan.
Okay. At lagi natin din tinatawag, another Helping Hand Award for demonstrating helpfulness.
Mamting. Si Mamting yan.
Johan. Wala siya na. Montalvo. Mamaya,
Akala ko si Mamting.
Okay, another recognition or certificate of recognition is awarded to for Caring Classmate Award. Caring Classmate. For being supportive and caring classmate.
Ay, ganito.
Okay, Ablaro, Maria Bel. Congratulations.
5.
Go, Mojigay. Nice, Mojigay. Nice, Mojigay.
1.
Okay,
Mojigay.
another Caring Classmate Award for being supportive and caring classmates again. So, Sumampong Ali Pagkasmaon.
Wala pa. 1. Wala yung most absent.
Okay, another award, certificate of recognition for
Perfect
Good
attendance.
Friend Award.
Ay, good trip.
Good friend.
Huh?
Kasi ko to lagi siya. Good friend.
Baka siya ka.
Okay, for demonstrating qualities of a good friend.
Wow.
Okay, Panitan, Jasmine, and Gonzalo.
Yo. Friend. Friend.
awarded to Gonzales Marila Bautista.
Scan mo yun, ate, edit ko ha.
1, 2,
Bigay ko pangalan ko.
1,
Edit ko, para makahanap na ako.
Okay, ito na. Certificate of recognition is awarded to for the award of the Yes I Can Award. Yes I Can Award.
Ah.
Ansa. Okay. For demonstrating reliance and perseverance in overcoming challenges. Okay. Awarded to Cabrera Abiden.
Ah! Totoo naman, in fairness. Pero maasa sila.
Okay, another certificate of recognition. The next item award again for demonstrating reliance and perseverance in overcoming challenges goes to Lunas P. Virginia. Okay, another yes item award for Cruz Marion Basuse. Dahil sa technology.
Balik.
Okay, another award. The yes item award again. Awarded to Leomares Edmond. Yes! Okay, another yes item award for demonstrating reliance and perseverance to overcome challenges. Awarded to Texon.
Yun! Kuya.
Okay, by the way yung institutional assessment, isa siya sa pinakamabilis na tapos. Okay, another yes item award awarded to Pamaron Jonah Marie.
Yun! Aray.
1, 2,
Okay, pala po kayo naman. Okay, marami na, marami. Okay. Dada, puro yes item award to ha. Awarded to Gaya Benjo Okay, kahit na sa Nipur,
1, 2,
Pwede. Kaya narinig kayo niya, may gilid yan.
okay, another award goes to Morta Nicole. Malayo ako mamasok.
Hello? Ayan.
Huwag yung laki yan. Wait lang na, wait lang.
wala pa nga eh.
Another yes item award to South Agustin Rita Mahal.
Yun.
One, two.
Kagawa na.
Ano si Golsi?
Okay. Okay, last
Ano
na
naman
best
ito?
second award goes to awarded to Tolejano.
One, two, three.
Okay, ito, medyo napansin ko to. Another certificate of recognitions na kahit napakahirap ng trabaho at napakahirap at wala siyang tulog, mapasa. Certificate of recognition is awarded to for the Extra Miles Award. In their work,
Kala ko extra rice.
awarded to Serato Bernal. Congratulations. Napakahirap ng trabaho ito. Hindi ba
One, two.
Mucho. Isang mucho.
Congratulations. Okay, now.
Ang lakas mo kaso.
Okay, as